Understanding fingerprints in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fingerprints. Not just the marks you leave on a glass surface, but also how this term is used in the English language. So, let's dive in and get a clear impression of fingerprints. Fingerprints are the unique patterns made by the ridges on the tips of a person's fingers. These patterns are unique to each individual and are used for identification purposes. But fingerprints aren't just physical. They can also be a metaphor for individuality and identity. In everyday language, the term fingerprints can be used metaphorically. For example, when we say a piece of art bears the artist's fingerprints, we mean it has their distinctive style or characteristics that make it identifiable as their work. It's all about recognizing someone's personal touch. The significance of fingerprints extends beyond their role in crime solving. In a broader sense, they represent the impact or influence one has on something. It could be a project at work or even on another person's life. We often talk about leaving our fingerprints on something to mean we've left a mark or had a significant influence on it. English is rich with idioms and phrases, and fingerprints finds its way into many of them. For instance, to have a finger in every pie means to have an influence over many different parts of a project, not unlike leaving your fingerprints all over it. It's a colorful way to describe involvement or control. And that's a wrap on fingerprints. I hope this video has helped you understand the literal and metaphorical uses of the word in English. Remember, every time you use this term, you're not just speaking about identity but also about the subtle influence and presence one can have. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave your mark on the world, just like a fingerprint.